In this video we're gonna continue talking about commands, and we're gonna show how to add command to the button and what kind of options every command can have. Let's start our bot. For the purpose of this video we have created one button in the main menu, and we have added the submenu to this button with the message and internal button. This we need for demonstration of all commands capabilities. Let's get back to main menu. In order for us to add command to the button, we have to go to the buttons editor, select the button, go to the button settings and press assign command. As you probably remember from our previous video, the command must contain slash, any text with Latin letters, underscore and the numbers. So let's add some command. As you can see, we have created command named button1. Let's send it to the bot. And command is assigned to the button. Besides the command itself, in the settings you can see there are some options. The first button will let you to delete the command. The second option we're not gonna touch at the moment, and let's try to demonstrate how the command works. We're gonna press confirm to finish editing the command. Let's stop the buttons editor. In order to call the command, we can enter it into the text area and send it directly to the bot. Let's do it this way. Alright, we have typed the command and let's send it to the bot. As you can see, we have received the message from button 1. This is the button we actually referred by using this command. If you press it manually, we're gonna go inside the submenu. So if you noticed, by using the command, we didn't move to the internal menu of this button. If you like to move your user to the internal menu, you have to switch the option while adding the command. So let's demonstrate this approach. For this we're going back to the main menu. In order to change the command's settings, let's get back to the buttons editor, select the button, go to the settings and assign command. In order for us to move our user into the submenu when he uses the command, we have to switch the second option to the on position. And after that press confirm to close the commands editor. We're going back to main menu and stop the buttons editor. Last time we used the command by typing it into the text area, but there is another way to use commands. You can add it to the messages and let your user just press it from the message. So for our second example, let's add our command to one of the messages of the main menu. For this we go into post editor and choose one of the messages. As you can see, we have copied the macros that was added in this message already, and we have added the command we have assigned for our button. Let's send this message to the bot. And as you can see, now we have command inside the message. If we press it now, we're gonna be moved to the submenu of the button.